In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a great Notion template. Notion is fantastic for notes, docs, and organizing information, and templates let you skip the repetitive setup so you can focus on the actual work. We'll walk through 3 practical ways to build templates and when to use each one. First, let's use a template button to instantly drop in a set of blocks inside a specific page. Open the page where you want the button to live. Type /template and choose template button. You'll see a default button in a configuration window. Rename the button to something descriptive like add new meeting notes so you know exactly what it inserts. Inside the template editor, convert the default checkbox into an H1 heading to create a clear title area. Add a line like meeting notes today to set context, and then insert a bulleted list with placeholder text for your notes. Click close when you're done. Each time you click the button, Notion generates those blocks right on the page. If you want to tweak the template later, hover over the button and click the gear icon. The button stays on that page, and if you duplicate the page, the button comes with it. Next, build template pages inside a database for repeatable entries like tasks, projects, or clients. Start by creating a page with all the content you want and copy it to your clipboard. Create a new database or pick an existing one where your items live. Add a new record and open it as a page. Click Create a Template. Paste your copied content into the template or build it directly inside. Give the template a clear title so your team knows when to use it. Go back to the database, and whenever you create a new item, you can choose that template to populate fields and content instantly. You can make multiple templates in the same database, and they'll only be available within that database, keeping things organized and context specific. Finally, if you want to share your template publicly, build it as a standalone page and make sure everything on it is okay to share. Click Share in the top right, turn on Share to Web, and enable Allow Duplicate as Template. Share the link, and anyone can click Duplicate to add it to their workspace. Keep in mind that only blocks on the shared page are visible. References to other private pages or databases won't appear. Inline databases you created on that page will remain visible. Templates make Notion faster by turning your best layouts into repeatable building blocks. Try a button for quick inserts, database templates for structured work, and public templates to share with others. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.